In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Notion Calendar to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Google events showing up in Notion Calendar, so everything is in one place and much easier to manage. First, open your browser and go to calendar.notion.so. This is the dedicated web app for Notion Calendar, separate from the regular Notion workspace you might already be using. If you aren't already signed in, log in with the same account you use for Notion so everything stays in sync. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully initialize so you can see the full sidebar and options. On the left side of the screen, look for the area where your calendar accounts are managed. This is usually in the left sidebar, and it might be labeled as calendar account or something very similar. This is where Notion Calendar keeps track of all the external calendars it connects to. Click on that calendar account section to open the connection settings. If this is your first time here, it may look fairly empty, and that's completely fine. You're about to link your first external calendar. Inside the calendar account area, you'll see an option to connect an outside calendar service. Look for the button or link that says Connect Google Calendar. This is the option that allows Notion Calendar to talk directly to your Google account and bring in your events. Go ahead and click Connect Google Calendar. When you do this, Notion Calendar will start the process of asking Google for permission to access your calendar data. You're not moving your events out of Google, you're simply allowing Notion Calendar to read them and, depending on your settings, possibly write new events back as well. After clicking Connect Google Calendar, a new window or pop-up will appear asking you to confirm permissions. This is the Connect to Google permission prompt. Here, you may be asked to choose which Google account you want to connect, especially if you're signed into more than one. Select the account that holds the calendar you want to use in Notion. Once you've selected your account, review the permissions that are being requested. Typically, Notion Calendar will ask to view and manage your calendars, which allows it to display your events and let you create or edit them directly from Notion Calendar. If you're comfortable with that, click the option to confirm or allow, which completes the Connect to Google permission step. When the permission is granted, you'll be taken back to Notion Calendar and you should see your Google Calendar account now listed under your calendar accounts in the left sidebar. Within a few moments, your Google events should begin appearing on your Notion Calendar timeline or monthly view. If you don't see them immediately, try switching views or giving it a moment to sync. From here, you can adjust which specific Google calendars are visible, color code them, and start creating events from Notion Calendar that sync back to Google. But the core connection is now set up. You've gone to calendar.notion.so, opened the calendar account section on the left, clicked Connect Google Calendar, and confirmed the Connect to Google permission. That's all you need to link Notion Calendar with Google Calendar and keep your schedule aligned across both tools.